Hello, my name is Kahmya Cowan, and today we are going to be talking about point mutations. Here I have written a DNA sequence. The top strand is the coding strand and the bottom strand is the template strand. Below it you will see the corresponding mRNA sequence with no mutations. The translation of this sequence into protein is shown here. I will be demonstrating different types of point mutations in the sample DNA strand. First, I will be showing a silent point mutation occurring around the bases TGC in the DNA coding strand. If the C in the coding strand mutates to a T, this is called a transition because it is going from pyrimidine to pyrimidine. The resulting mRNA strand becomes UGU, which actually still codes for cysteine amino acid, just like it would in an mRNA with no mutation. This is why it is called a silent mutation. Next up is a nonsense point mutation. This type of point mutation changes a codon that would normally code for an amino acid into a stop codon. If the C in the DNA coding strand mutates to an A, the resulting mRNA sequence will be UGA, which signals stop. This mutation is a transversion because it is going from pyrimidine to purine. Next, we have a missense point mutation. This occurs when the mutation causes a change in the amino acid. If the C in our sample DNA coding strand mutates to a G, a transversion, the resulting mRNA would read UGG. This codes for the amino acid tryptophan. This is a different amino acid than cysteine, which was coded for in our unmutated mRNA. This is why it is a missense mutation. On the right side, I will demonstrate a read-through point mutation occurring around the TGA bases of the coding strand of the sample DNA at the top. As you can see, in our mRNA with no mutation, the corresponding bases for this part of the sequence are UGA, which codes for stop. If the A of the DNA coding strand mutates to G, the resulting mRNA will be UGG, which codes for tryptophan. Instead of stopping, this will cause the mRNA to continue to read through. Therefore, it is called a read-through mutation. To recap, we have gone over 4 different types of point mutations: silent, nonsense, missense, and read-through. Thank you for your time and have a great day.